Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Canada Express entry draws, April 2026 full update. April 2026 was another major month for Canada Express entry, with multiple draws targeting provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, French-speaking candidates, and skilled trades workers. IRCC continued focusing heavily on category-based selection and applicants already inside Canada. In today's video, we'll cover all major express entry draws from 1st April to 30th April 2026. Trades occupations draw 2nd April. Canada started April 2026 with a trades occupations category-based draw on 2nd April. Key details: 3,000 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 477. This draw targeted skilled trades workers and confirmed Canada's continued focus on labor shortages in construction, transportation, manufacturing, and other trade-related sectors. Provincial Nominee Program Draw 13th April. IRCC then conducted a Provincial Nominee Program Draw on 13th April. Key details: 324 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 786. Candidates with provincial nominations receive an additional 600 CRS points, which explains the high CRS score. Provincial immigration continued playing a major role in Canada's immigration system during 2026. Canadian Experience Class Draw 14th April. Canada then held a Canadian Experience Class Draw on 14th April. Key details: 2,000 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 515. This draw mainly benefited temporary foreign workers, international graduates, and applicants already working inside Canada. It also confirmed Canada's continued focus on in-Canada applicants. French language draw 15th April. IRCC conducted a French language proficiency draw on 15th April. Key details: 4,000 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 419. French-speaking candidates continued receiving strong advantages through category-based express entry selection. This draw also confirmed Canada's continued commitment to increasing francophone immigration outside Quebec. Provincial Nominee Program Draw 27th April. Canada conducted another Provincial Nominee Program Draw on 27th April. Key details: 473 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 795. This draw again highlighted the growing importance of provincial nominee programs in Canada's immigration system. Canadian Experience Class Draw 28th April. IRCC then held another Canadian Experience Class Draw on 28th April. Key details: 2,000 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 514. Canada continued prioritizing candidates already inside the country with Canadian work experience. French language draw 29th April. Canada finished the month with another French language proficiency draw on 29th April. Key details: 4,000 invitations to apply issued. CRS cutoff score was 400. French-speaking applicants continued benefiting from lower CRS score requirements and targeted immigration opportunities. Express entry competition remained high. Even with large draws, express entry competition remained very strong during April 2026. Higher CRS scores continued becoming common, especially among provincial nominee program candidates, Canadian experience class applicants, and category-based candidates. Applicants may need stronger language scores, Canadian work experience, or provincial nominations to improve their chances. Canada continued moving toward targeted immigration. One major trend became very clear throughout April 2026. Canada is moving strongly toward targeted immigration selection. Priority continued going to skilled trades workers, French-speaking candidates, provincial nominees, Canadian experience class applicants, and workers already inside Canada. This means category-based selection is becoming a major part of Canada's express entry system. Final April 2026 Express Entry Summary. Here's a quick summary of April 2026 Express Entry Draws. 2nd April Trades Occupations Draw 3000 ITAs CRS 477. 13th April PNP Draw 324 ITAs CRS 786. 14th April CEC Draw 2000 ITAs CRS 515. 15 April French Language Draw 4000 ITAs CRS 419. 27 April PNP Draw 473 ITAs CRS 795. 28 April CEC Draw 2000 ITAs CRS 514. 29 April French Language Draw 4000 ITAs CRS 400. April 2026 clearly showed Canada's strong focus on skilled trades, French-speaking immigration in Canada applicants, provincial nominee programs, and category-based immigration selection. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.